In this video, let's talk about indentation and comments. Indentation means space at the beginning of a code line, and it is used for code readability in other programming languages, whereas in Python it is used to refer a block of code, and it is important to follow indentation. Comments are used for in-code documentation, that is to explain the code, and comment starts with hash symbol. For multi-line comments, we can insert hash for each line, and comments are also used for code readability. And by commenting the code, we can skip the execution of the code as well. Now let's see the demo. Go to PyCharm and let me create a new Python file, indentation comments, and now let's add a comment here. This program demonstrates indentation and comments. Now let me take two variables here, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2. If a greater than b, then print a is greater than b. Now let me save the code and right click and execute the program. Since 4 is greater than 2, so that is why we are saying a is greater than b printed in the console. Now let me copy the same code. Let me remove this space and save it and execute the code. So now you can see indentation error, expected an indented block after if statement on line 9. Since we skipped space at the beginning of the line near the print function, so that is why we got the indentation error. So that is why it is very important to follow indentation in Python. So we are seeing the indentation error because we skipped space at the beginning of the line near print function. Now let me comment this code by using the symbol hash. Now let me take the same code and let me give another space here. So this is valid. We are not getting any error. So we can give any number of spaces within the different blocks. Inside this block we are giving only one space, and inside this block of statements we are giving two different spaces. So let me add the comment here. We can give any number of spaces within the different blocks. So this is one block of statements and this is another block of statements. Within each block of statement we can give any number of spaces. So that is valid. Whereas now let me take the same code again and let me copy this line of code. So within this block of code we have given the same space for both the statements, and let me give one more space here. So now you can see indentation error, unexpected indent, because within the same block of code we have to follow the same indentation, that is we have to give the same number of spaces. So here if you notice we have given two number of spaces, whereas here in this line of code we have given only one space. So that means let me add the comment here as well. We are getting indentation error because it has to use the same number of spaces within the same block. So that's about indentation and comments. Alright, see you in the next video.